Most of us were taught that a clean garden means straight rows and beautiful, dark, bare dirt. I'm here to tell you, the old way is the real truth. Bare soil, it's dead. If you can see the dirt in your raised beds, your microbes are baking in the sun. Think of soil like your own skin. Without protection, it burns. Bare soil gets too hot. It kills the tiny workers, which are the microbes. It also turns hard like concrete when it rains. In a regenerative garden, we keep the floor covered. We use living mulch instead of plastic. Today I'm going to show you how I build my Eden model tomato guild so the ground and the plant never have to work alone. Every guild needs a backbone, an anchor. For me, that's the heirloom tomato that I will be planting in my 4x6. It's my food provider. It reaches for the sun, it leaves the ground below wide open. That's why I have to build a family around it. So I'm going to put a basil plant. Pests like the hornworm, they find tomatoes by their smell. By planting basil right next to the tomato, we're using a scent mask. That way the strong herb confuses all the bad bugs so they never find the crop. It's cooperation with nature, not chemical force. We need a bodyguard. We're going to put marigolds, French marigolds. These are the root bodyguards. They release a natural chemical under the ground that stops bad worms from eating your tomato roots. It's a security system. You can't see it. The plants, they know it's there. We're going to add carrots. Carrots, they are like a roto-rooter. Once we tuck those in there, since we don't till or dig up our soil, we let the plants do the work. Carrots act like tiny living drills that grow down into the dirt, loosening it up so air and water can reach the tomato roots without us ever even having to pick up a shovel. Lastly, clover. This is the most important part. This clover is a living mulch. It carpets the floor of the bed so that there is zero bare soil. It keeps the ground really cool. It holds water, actually puts nitrogen from the air to feed the tomatoes. This makes it a closed loop system. This is Gelassenheit, yieldedness. I'm not the boss of my garden. I'm just a caretaker. When we stop trying to control everything and start participating in the cycles God has already built, the garden heals itself and it heals us. This tomato family is just the beginning. Every bed in an Eden model has its own unique community, what we call guilds. Tomorrow I'm going to show you the cabbage guild. It's the ultimate lesson in natural bodyguards. We're going to use the scent and the living carpets to stop the pests before they even land. If you ever lost a crop to cabbage moss, you don't want to miss the old way to fix that. We're not just planting seeds, we're building relationships. I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 2.